everyone, welcome to Travels with Thomas. Today we are at the National Botanical Gardens in Wales, and this is my new toy Squidgy. He's an octopus. I had him for my birthday, and in here we might have some birds of prey, flowers, and maybe even some plants as well. So see you when I get in. Right, so here we are at the edges. We got particular fish, and we got this behind us. It looks so cool. And I got my map as well to show you around. Right, see you when I get out. So we just walked in and we found these ponds. There's bees, butterflies, beetles, fish. And look, and this is the pond here. You can just see the little beetles somewhere down there. They are so cool. Fish are down there. And there he is. He's so cool. Thank you. Right, I'll see you when I get to the next area. Right, so we found these flowers, and there's so many things that you could see. There's butterflies, bees, there's so many things to see. There's a bee here. It's so cool. It's so cool and it's like pollen or something. It's so cool. Oh, there's a butterfly over there as well. There's another one. So cool. There's so many of them. Right, see you when I get to the next area. Right, so we have found the beehive. And look at all the bees. There's so many of them. They're so cool. They're really, really nice. So cool. And I think they're making the honey or something. And they're just flying around everywhere. It's so crazy. Right, I'll see you when I get to the birds. Right, so here we are at the British Bird of Prey Centre, and inside we might see some birds in there, so we'll see you when I get in. Right, so here we are in the centre of the British Bird of Prey Centre. We got lots and lots of birds around here. They're everywhere. So I'll see you when I get to the first bird. So this is a snowy owl, and her name is Margaret, and she's so cool. She's really nice owl. Her feet as well are nice. Her white fins are nice. And here's the poster for the snowy owl. They're very, very nice. Right, see you when I get to the next bird. So this is a golden eagle, and his name is Midas. And look at him. He's so cool. He's really nice. And his feathers are good as well. And his tail. And his feet. So cool. Right, see you when I get to the next bird. Right, so this is an European eagle owl, and his name is Hector. He's so nice. Ooh, he's sweet. Yeah, he's so cool. Really nice. His feet as well, his eyes are nice. So cool. Right, see you when I get to the next bird. Hello, right, so this is a white-tailed seagull, and his name is Atlantis. And he is so cool. His beak is nice, his feet are nice, his wings. He's so cool. He's really nice bird. So cool. Right, see you when I get to the next bird. Right, so this is a red kite, and his name is Salsa, and he's up there, and he's so nice and amazing. He's so cool. He's a really nice bird. His wings are nice as well. So cool. Right, see you when I get to the next bird. So this is a common buzzard, and his name is Flint. And look at the feathers on him, and his legs and his wings. He's so cool, and he's really awesome. And look at his beak as well and his eyes. So cool. Right, I'll see you when I get to the next bird. Right, so this is a goshawk, and he hasn't got a name for it. And he's hiding somewhere. He's like playing peekaboo. Yes, he's over there. There he is. You can just see him. He's really nice animal. Feathers on him as well, and his hair. So cool. Right, see you when I get to the next bird. So this is a marsh harrier, and her name is Evie, and she's so cool. She's nice, and feathers and wings, her legs, head. She's so cool. She's really nice. Right, see you when I get to the next bird. So we have found a little owl, and her name is Lily, and she's up there, and she's so cute. She's so little as well. She's so cool. And feathers as well. Eyes. Oh, so cool. And who's this? This is a Merlin, and his name is Jack. And he's so cool. He's really nice, and the feathers as well. And here we have. He's over here. Yeah, he's so cool. He's so nice, and he's eating something. He's eating like a stick. Looks like he's eating his leg. Yeah, he's so cool. So nice. Right, see you when I get to the next bird. Right, so we found a peregrine falcon. His name is Enzo, and he is so cool. He's really nice. He's a really nice bird. So cool. And the colours on his hair as well. Look at the colours on his back. And he's so nice. And his feet. He's eating something as well. I don't know what he's eating, but he is eating something. He's so cool. Really nice bird. So really nice. Right, I'll see you when I get to the next bird. Right, so we found a common crusher, and his name is Mini, or Minai, and he's so cool. And she is so cool. He's really nice, and he's pretty as well. Yeah, she's so cool. She's so cool. And her feathers and her wings, her beak, and her eye as well. Her eye is so cool. Yeah, it's so really nice. Right, see you when I get to the next bird. Right, so we found a girl falcon. His name is Puddle, and he lives in the tundra, the Arctic tundra, and it's so cold there. And he is Puddle. He's so cool. And his wings and his eye, his beak, his feet. Yeah, he's white as well. Yeah, he's so cool. And really, really nice. Right, see you when I get to the next bird. Right, so we have found an owl, and he's so big. He's really, really big. He's a big owl, and he's looking at me. He's so big. His hair as well, his wings. Yeah, he's so cool and really nice. Right, see you when I get to the next bird. So we have found a honey buzzard, and his name is Manuka, a very funny name. And he's so cool. He's brown and white. Yeah, his wings are nice. His feet, his tail, is so cool. And over here, this is Bandit. This is like a falcon or something. He's so cool. He's so nice. Right, see, and over here we got Casey Soupy, and he's out. He went to the flying area. Right, see you when I get to the next area. Right, so we have found a bird called, and his name is Saffron, and he's so cool. He's like an eagle, and he's so nice. He's a really nice bird. Really cool, and the feathers on him, he's so cool. And right, see you when I get to the next area. Right, so we've seen all the birds, and I can recommend this place because this is so cool. It's really nice. Yeah, it's so wonderful as well. Right, see you when I get to the next area. Right, so we're at the back of the gardens, and we got the fountain just over there. We got the dome just over there. That's where we're going next, where the ghost forest is. And I got this little owl from the British Birds of Prey Centre. And we're gonna have our dinner with Weetabix, yogurt and milkshake. And I'll see you when I get to the dome. Right, so here we are in the biggest dome in the whole wide world, and it's so big. There are lots of plants and stuff in here. There's so many. Right, so let's see when I get to the area. So we got the plants from South Africa, and let's go and investigate. And there's so many plants. They're so cool, and there may be even some animals as well. And this plant is so big. There's a flower on there. Wow, it's so cool. And there's more plants over here. There's a big plant here as well. It's really big in this plant as well. Yeah. Right, see you when I get to the next area. Right, so here we are in Australia, and we have 75% of these plants grow wild nowhere else on the planet. So That is really crazy. Right, see you when I get to the next area. So here we are in Chile, and it says here Chile is bordered by ocean, mountains and desert, isolated like an island. Half of its native plant species grow wild nowhere else. So that's crazy as well. Right, see you when I get to the next area. Right, so we have found the Mediterranean basin, the largest of the world's Mediterranean climate zones, contains 25,000 species of flowering plants, conifers and birds. How cool is that? And there's so many here. So nice. There's birds flying here as well. So cool. Right, see you when I get to the exit. Right, so we had a lovely time at the National Botanic Gardens of Wales. We definitely can recommend this place because it's such a beautiful place. It's got lots of flowers, lots of plants. You can come here anytime. Right, so thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell for more adventures in travels with Thomas. See you in the next video. Goodbye.